We're doing two things in today's video. First, the Z Flip 7 battery. Look, my battery degradation has been horrendous over the past 9 months. I've lost close to 18 battery cells with some pretty light usage, and that means that now I can't even make it to like 2 p.m. without needing to charge this battery back up. You guys in my last video told me to go get an official verdict on the battery, and that's what I did. But look, guys, I don't have Samsung Care. The only things I have is the included 1-year warranty and my Second Amendment. So first, I checked my IMEI on the Samsung website to confirm my warranty was still active, and it told me a few locations authorized by Samsung that I could take a look at my phone. And the first one that I arrived at was a California tortilla restaurant. So someone should tell Samsung Hyung something's wrong with their, authorized retailers. Another place Samsung recommended was Batteries Plus, and they had one of these near me, and they were able to take a look at my battery. They did some diagnostics and comprehended the problem to reach the conclusion that there was something wrong with my battery. But why? What did I do to destroy my battery and see all of this degradation over the past 9 months? The dude behind the counter told me simply that it happens often. So they replaced it under warranty. Guys, you've seen me put this through a dishwasher in my last video. You've seen the dents and dinges literally everywhere, all on this phone. And shout out to missingartmuseum.com for the case, by the way, in case you're interested. You like what I did there? You like that? No? Okay, wait, I'm sorry. Still, even with all the dents and dinges, they accepted my device under warranty. Now look, this is the key takeaway. This is why, if you don't get anything from this video and you want to leave this video with some value, just listen to this. This is the key takeaway. This is why you do any kind of repairs from an authorized third party and not from Samsung. Never send your phone to Samsung if you don't have to. Third party centers make money on repairs, and they send that bill to Samsung to fill. Samsung loses money on repairs, so they don't want to fix your phone unless they have to. And these third-party stores, obviously, then they want your devices to have problems so they can make money on the fix, not by charging you, but by charging the brands, as long as, they're authorized. But in like 20 minutes, I was done. I was done and out of the store with a new battery. They had Z Flip 7 batteries in stock and said that it was actually not uncommon. And I don't know if I should be saying this. Because this could be potentially misinformation. But other than batteries that they had a huge number of in stock, they also had a huge number of Z Flip 7 screens in stock as well. I don't know if that's something I should say, but or if that's gonna create a misconception, but it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Before I tell you all about the new battery performance of my phone, how about a small subscription for your boy? It goes a long way in feeding the kids, please. And also, if you like the video, smash the like button. If you dislike the video, go ahead, hit this dislike. Go ahead and do it. But you gotta then tell me in the comment section below how I can improve. It really helps me out. Appreciate that. Now look, everyone's experience isn't going to be as great, and if you have a repair story of your own, share it with the community in the comment section, but also mention your country or your state to help others out. Now, currently, my battery would be considered an all-day Again, let me put it back up in that tier. It's basically a new battery. And just like when I first got this phone, it is lasting me from morning until, late evening easily, except on days where I'm using this a lot more, where the usage is heavier, and I'm using the inner display a lot more often, and I'm on data. On those heavier days, it may need an afternoon charge, but for the most part, it does get me now until like 6-7 p.m. with lighter usage. So right now, I'm content. Okay, I don't want to say happy because I'm not like blown away by the but I'm content. Battery is back, it's good, cost me nothing but 20 minutes. Will it degrade just like before? I have no idea, but you'll have to stick around to find out. Now for part 2 of this video, I wanted to try to change the screen protector of my Z Flip 7, the inner one, okay? There isn't anything wrong with it, biblically at least. No bubbles or streaks of any kind, no lifting happening at the current moment, so it's just fine currently. But it ain't a matte finish screen protector. If you've been around this channel for any time, you know we love a matte finish screen protector. Swiping feels as smooth as a baby's butt, and the colors have a slight diffusion that looks like canvas art, and it reduces the harsher glare. And thus I decided to venture into the Amazon and find a matte screen protector for the Flip 7 that hopefully, wow, wouldn't destroy my display. I missed the whole camera. There you go. This is the one I bought. I'll link it down below in case you're interested. Hey, at your own risk. Now, personally, I've never changed the screen protector on a flip before. I had even dreamed about it until Jerry realized there would be about like 5 minutes we had to film this video. So now look, there's this young chap called Greggles TV. He said that changing the screen protector on the Fold 5 did not void his warranty. And when I was unboxing this, there was never any notice of the warranty being voided if I changed the screen protector like there used to be on the Z Flip 3 and the Z Flip 4. The point is, if my warranty does end up getting voided, I'm gonna see Greggles TV in court. And you too, Jerry. In fact, everybody in the comment section go into court with me, in fact. Yes, people, I will show you my very first attempt at changing the Z Flip 7 screen protector. Let's get to it. I don't even know where to start. Do I remove? Wait, let me put this to the side. Wait, maybe this has instructions. First of all, let me open this and check the instructions out. So, L packaging, bro. Oh no, W packaging. Ow. All right, so inside this packaging seems to be a lot more packaging. I'm just gonna get in there. I'm just going into the edge. I'm just picking at this right now. Oh, this feels so bad. Yo, I can't look. I'm just picking. Oh my goodness. I picked it. Wait. Let me. So we got the Ace 2 Pro on the scene, ladies and gentlemen. This is an action cam, so I don't know if this is gonna be able to show anything interesting, but perhaps this will be able to show you that edge where I've just peeled for the first time right there. So wait, I'm gonna, oh my goodness. Oh, it's coming off now. Should I put a hat on or something? Because I don't want like hair follicles getting stuff. Oh, yo, it just comes off. It's like a plasticky. You hear that? Oh, I put it back on. I don't know if that damages my phone or not, but I'm just keeping it low and I'm just pulling, guys. I am pulling it. Yo, I can already smell the comments. I can smell the comments right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, this is the official Samsung one. This costs you $20 because Samsung will charge you every year. You can get your screen protector changed at an authorized retailer for free or for $20. And yeah, they'll just add and give you a new one. So they do have that available, just saying. But it won't be a matte screen protector. Let's get to it. Okay, so my phone right now has no screen protector, guys. We are officially naked. Okay, write your bets down. Comment down below the timestamp right now and how many tries it's gonna take. We have 3 packs. I'm gonna get this on the first try, ladies and gentlemen. No joke. We're gonna. Oh, I don't want to get that dirty. Okay, this is what I wanted. The alcohol pad. Should we be putting alcohol on a display? I've heard it's bad. I've heard that cleaning glossy displays with alcohol is bad for you. So anybody with a glossy laptop, you want to avoid. I think I'm just making it dirtier because now I'm just like moving all the dirty stuff from the side. My screen is wet right now. Is this the drying cloth? There was no drying cloth. There's just this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna use it. Big W. I should have probably put this on, like, they included nothing for me, man. They didn't even include like a little pad that I could put my phone down on, or like a device that allows me to like automatically align. This is key though, right here. This, when it comes to installing screen protectors, this is like level infinity screen protector install. But like this cleaning and getting all the dust off is the absolute key. Okay, if you don't get this right, it's not gonna go on right. So you got to take your time. You got to take your time with this. You want to get every single dusty demon and get it removed, guys. Get that removed. Yes, sir. You know, people used to go to shops and pay money to do, and they still do. In some places in Japan, shops will charge you money to install a screen protector on like a regular phone, not a flip phone, but just a regular phone. They'll charge you like money, which I think is insane, dude. Just be patient. That's it. Anybody can install a screen protector. You should not be paying money for it. I think that's good though. I think we are slick and slack. We are clean. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these. I don't know which is which. This says unbreakable membrane and this says side film unbreakable membrane. So, oh, there's 2 parts. I'm so dumb. Yeah. Then this has to be it. Okay. So Should I just put, yeah, I mean, wait, what does it say? Clean, dry the screen with dry cloth, stick the dust absorber, peel off, label 1 film, align the film with the screen. Literally just, yeah, we're just going at it. Okay. All right, understandable. I'm looking at that top camera. I'm just gonna go easy, Linja. No problem. Align that with the camera right there. You see that? You see that touchdown? You see that? Yeah. Okay. Clean. Clean. First attempt, by the way. Okay. You see how I brought that down? There's some bubbles, no problem. I read the reviews on this product, and they did say that it does, sometimes it takes a couple of days for, oh my goodness, look at this technique. Whoo! Get to it, get to it. We knocked out a lot. I don't even think I'm gonna need to like try again. But some people say that it does take a wait, what is this? What is number 2 and number 3? There's still 2 tabs here. This is my crease area. It's coming back. I don't know if you guys can tell, like those bubbles are coming back a little bit. So it's not, I can't, oh, it's not aligned? No way. No way I'm gonna have to try again. Lift the film number 2, use the card, press the half film from the top, no pause during this time. So wait, what is going on? It said no pause. But where's the screen protector? Is there a screen protector even installed, or am I just scratching my screen right now? No, I think there is. Wait. Peel off label number 2, and then it says go all the way down, use sticker guide. Sticker guide? So this was a screen protector, and I just took the screen protector off. I have never seen what I have no, we're gonna have to go again. Yeah, we're gonna have to go again, guys. I have never seen this kind of application before, so you're gonna have to forgive me. Try number 2. I'm gonna just get a few of the stragglers I left. Some of the stragglers. Take your time with it, though. Take your time with it. All right, here we go. Hair. Get that hair out of the way. Try number 2. Let's get to it. Yo, I have one final chance after this. This is it. Like, then I'm gonna have to go with no screen protector on my phone. Okay, here we go. So this is film number 1. I'm putting it down now. Putting it down. Nope, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, I like it. I like that. Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. No, I don't like that. I don't like it. Not straight. I didn't like that. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. So we got part 1 done. Everything is lined up. I'm just gonna push some things down like that. So the screen protector isn't actually installed yet. It's gonna get installed after 2. But this is where I messed up last time. So it says lift film number 2. But his film number 2 looks weird, man. Lift film number 2, use the card, press the half film until the top. So there's a film number 2. Some piece of plastic just came off for some reason. I don't know what that's supposed to be for. Like this. Oh, okay. Y'all see that? You should have known, man. You should have known. What'd I tell you last time? Oh, wow. Okay, that's not helping me. Turn off, please. Display. Turn off, please. Okay. Oh, it told me to use the squeegee. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah. You'll see that? So now the screen protector is actually, there's something there now, you know what I mean? There's something there. It's a really good idea to like get rid of as many bubbles right now before the whole thing is down, because I have this whole like bank here that I can push these bubbles into, this bank of air. I mean, yeah, there's a little bit of, matteness. I do appreciate that matteness there. I'm gonna lift 3. How do I do 3? Same thing, right? Oh, it's lifting from the top again. Okay. I'm stretching the screen protector too. I don't want to do all that. This is the dumbest application. I'm not gonna lie. Dumbest application I've seen, man. This is so freaking hard. Concentrating right now. I'm concentrating. Okay, so there's a few bubbles, man. There's a few bubbles that are not going away. They're not even moving. And I would know because I'm doing this. Is there anything else that I have to do? Oh, there's a top film, so we're not even done yet. Okay, there's a whole film. So sticker guide, and now they want me to remove the top film? Okay. Yo, that looks so matte. Okay, I don't know if that camera is even recording, but... that looks so clean. I probably should have removed all the bubbles while that film was on top because now I'm just scratching the screen protector. But we might have to give these bubbles just a few days to inch out. It's been like a week and a half and I added it to the outer display as well. And as you can tell, the outer display one looks really, really clean. And this is the inner display. And yeah, the bubbles that were there are basically like non-existent now. Now, again, I'm not recommending this to anyone, okay? I just really, really love matte finish screen protectors, so I got it. But I do not recommend it to anyone. Do this at your own risk. Please do not sue me. Look. I'll put this on, right? I'll like put it on. Like, look, okay. You're seeing all this glare, right? This was before. This is after. That's so cool. All right. I don't know if my screen is going to destroy now or get destroyed. I don't even know if I can trade it in like this or if I have to remove the screen protector. But I can always, again, you can always go to a Samsung repair shop and get it replaced like for free. They do that for you. By the time this video goes out, it'll already be like a week or two since this day. So I hope you all are having a fantastic... Yo, it's so smooth. Oh, I haven't. Wait. What if I open it now? Like, look at all that glare, right? No glare. Zero glare. I love matte finish screen protectors. But yeah, no damage to my hand just yet. You can see this the crease now even clearly because it's matte finished. But obviously when you turn it on, it's like completely gone. Just like that. W episode, ladies and gentlemen. That's been the episode. Do I recommend doing this? No, not really. You never heard it from me. I never did this for you. Never tell anyone about this, but I'm excited. It's just like one more thing. Now, people, like when you look at my display from the side, it's gonna be like, wow, that's so cool. I love matte finish screen protectors, man. I know I get hate. People be hating, bro. People be hating for all the matte finishes I do every time. I love matte finish. Like, look at it from the side. Look at the top count. Look at that top down. Wembenyama angle, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that viewing angle. No glare. Nothing. It just looks like paper. Artistic diffusion. Until next time, get some rest.